Camera. Can you say camera?
Yes.
Camera.
Yes.
Camera. Please don't touch that.
Eyes.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, Jenny here. Welcome to a brand new episode of How to Keep Yourself Sane. I, once again, have officially lost it, like I have said in my previous videos. But now I think today I have really lost it. So today, I think I'm just gonna talk. I have no idea what to talk about. I don't even have this video planned. It was more on a spontaneous moment because I need to keep Kyler busy, and Kyler seems to behave the most when he's on camera. So, yesterday, here's Kyler, was my birthday. Yes, happy birthday to me. I am 37 years old. I'm quite young. Are you enjoying your cell phone toy thingamabobber? Okay. Yeah, you want to get in the camera? Of course you do. And yesterday, I made a banana bread chocolate with banana bread cake. Okay, like there are chocolate chips in it, and then there are walnuts in here. Kyler wants some. Okay, if I give you just a little, listen, I'm not supposed to give you any, but I'll give you some because you were complaining. Okay, I'll give you a piece that doesn't have any chocolate chips or any walnuts. Okay, here. Yeah, that should keep you quiet for the next 10 seconds. So, I am a pretty good baker. But for some strange reason, whenever I make banana bread, it like sinks in the middle. Now, does that mean like... Does that mean like I didn't cook it long enough? I have no idea. I only cut out the edge. So you know the edge always cooks faster than the middle. I haven't cut through the middle yet to find out that answer. Truth is that my bananas were old and I needed to get through the bananas because no one was gonna eat them raw. I'll tell you that much. Like they were pretty much black. I actually wanted to film it, but I didn't have like really good lighting in my kitchen, so I just baked it. Here's another one. So yeah, and like here's the truth. We are stuck in quarantine, and I really don't think we're gonna eat all this bread, and there's no one to give it to because who would take it from me? Who would take this banana bread from me while in quarantine, knowing that there's like a deadly virus out there? Okay, you don't get any more. So, excuse me. You're in my way. Thank you. So happy birthday to me. I made a cake that collapsed and no one will probably eat it. Second thing I want to talk to you guys about is my iced coffee. Now, I used to work with a gentleman who told me that black coffee mixed with honey is huge in their culture. So that's what I did, if you guys can see. There's ice in there because I decided to turn it into iced coffee because I really like iced coffee. So I mixed some coffee with a little bit of honey, and I have to say it's pretty good. God, I have no idea what I'm talking about. Yeah, it's pretty good. Next time I'll try it hot. And another thing that I want to talk about or do is that now I have to stay quiet about this. I don't know if you guys can hear me because Kyler's toy is right by the microphone. Kyler, come here. Is that I want to buy a birthday present for myself. Now, I have always wanted to get an e-reader, like the Kindle or the Kobo. I just didn't know which one, but I want to get one. I've been bothering Ender that I have wanted one for so long. And Ender just kept saying, then get one, then get one. But I never did because I just didn't know how much time I had. Well, like, guess what? I've got so much time now. Well, I mean, kind of, but not really. I want to buy it. Now, like, here's the truth. Now, I would like cards. I think the cards show up here in this corner. I did buy like a whole bunch of books from Amazon. And it's in 3 videos because that's how many books I purchased. I really don't need an e-reader because I have about like 50 books I have to read, and I'm not about to go return all these books in the middle of a pandemic. Look at Kyla walking around, amazing. And so, do I really need one right now? No. But I figured, what the hell, let's buy one. Because I have lost my brain, and really, like, who is sane right now? Like, I'm not making any rational decisions. At least I don't think so. In my brain, I don't think so. So I am going to order my birthday present with you guys. I'll order a Kindle, and I will order a case for the Kindle. And for those of you who are about to like say in the comments, why are you ordering leisurely stuff, you know, in the middle of a pandemic when there isn't a lot of money to go around? Before this whole pandemic, I saved the money for it, okay? So no need to say this in the comments. I just haven't executed my plan to purchase it because I just didn't know if I needed it. Do I still need it? I probably not, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So I got my phone, and I will order the Kindle off Amazon. You know what? I just had an idea. I am going to title this video, How Difficult It Is to Film When You Have Your Baby Walking Around Everywhere. That's what I'm gonna do. That's a good random video title. That's what I'm doing. Because here's the truth, I'm pretty sure him walking around is a lot more entertaining than me talking about random crap. Don't you think? So I've signed into my account. Then they said that there was a problem. Why? Is that why? Is that why, Kyler? I was about to call you Ender. I was about to call you Ender, and clearly you're not Ender. Okay, I signed in. So there is an option where it says instructions for the package on Amazon. And this morning I received Kyler's bum cream, and they left the package on the first floor, out in the public, on the floor. So if it wasn't actually for Ender telling me that there was a package on the ground by the post office in our building, and he said to me you should go check it out, I would have just left it there. Now I understand because of the measures and what's going on in the world, fine, but like the Kindle is quite expensive, so I'm going to ask them to leave it in front of our door, and I'm just going to pray that they honor. Please leave package in front of unit door. Does that make sense? Because if I say front door, what front door it is? What front door is it? See, like, oh my god, today's April 7th. We're on national lockdown till April 30th. That's another 23 days inside. You guys, I don't even know if I'm gonna make it. I really don't know. said get whatever you want. He didn't say which generation to get. So I'm not getting like the basic generation because I hear the battery life doesn't last long, and I'm not going to get the most expensive because I really don't know when things go back to normal how often I'm going to use it. But he did say to get whatever I want. So I'm getting the Kindle, and he doesn't know that I also purchase a case for the Kindle because you don't want to get that thing scratched up anyway. So don't tell. I placed the order, and the total combined with taxes in Canadian dollars is $178 and something cents. So now I get to save a lot of money. So in the event that I have a huge reading binge, I don't have to buy $500 worth of books. I can now buy those same books for like a third of that price, which I think is a very smart idea. Kyler, what are you doing? He found his other pacifier and now he's banging it against our TV stand because that's what babies do. They're random. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe all down below, or you can catch me on all my social media, which is right here. That's at Kiss Jennie. That's spelled kiss.jennie, and Jennie with an IE. Or if you want to subscribe to my channel, click on my face right here. Or if you want to catch me in my last video, click right here. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye.